In the digital age, managing money across borders has become an everyday reality for millions. Whether you're a small business owner paying international suppliers, a freelancer receiving payments from overseas clients, or simply an individual sending money to family abroad, you've likely encountered two giants in the online payment world, PayPal and Wise, formerly TransferWise. But when it comes down to it, which one is truly better for your specific financial needs? As a finance expert, I often get asked this question, and the answer isn't a simple yes or no. Instead, it depends on what you're trying to achieve. Let's delve into a comprehensive comparison to help you make an informed decision. Understanding their core missions. To understand which service is better, it's crucial to first grasp their fundamental purposes. PayPal. Founded in 1998, PayPal started as a pioneer in online payments, primarily focused on making online shopping and person-to-person payments easy and secure. It quickly became a globally recognized payment gateway integrated into countless e-commerce platforms. While it does facilitate international transfers, it's more of a general-purpose digital wallet. Wise, formerly TransferWise, launched in 2011. Wise was built with a very specific mission: to make international money transfers cheaper, faster, and more transparent. It set out to challenge the traditional banking model of hidden fees and unfavorable exchange rates. Its core strength lies in cross-border payments and multi-currency management. The deciding factors: fees, exchange rates, and functionality. Let's break down the key areas where these two platforms differ. 1. Fees and exchange rates. The cost of crossing borders. This is often the most significant factor for users, and here Wise generally holds a distinct advantage, especially for international transfers. Wise's approach. Wise is renowned for its transparency. It uses the mid-market exchange rate, the real rate you see on Reuters or Google, without any hidden markups. Wise then charges a small, upfront fee, which is clearly displayed before you confirm your transfer. This fee is typically a combination of a small fixed amount and a percentage of the transferred sum, varying slightly by currency and amount. This direct and transparent approach means you know exactly what you're paying and what your recipient will receive. PayPal's approach. PayPal's fee structure can be more complex and less transparent, particularly for international transactions. While sending domestic payments between PayPal accounts, funded by your PayPal balance or linked bank account, is often free, international transfers and currency conversions usually incur higher costs. PayPal often adds a markup to the exchange rate, meaning the rate you get is less favorable than the mid-market rate. On top of this, there can be additional transfer fees depending on the country, currency, and funding method. This layered fee structure can make the true cost of an international PayPal transfer less obvious. Verdict on fees and exchange rates. For international money transfers, Wise is almost always cheaper and more transparent due to its use of the mid-market rate and clear fee structure. 2. Speed of transfers. Wise. Many Wise transfers are completed within minutes or a few hours, especially for popular currency routes and when funds are sent to a bank account. Some may take up to 1 to 2 business days, depending on factors like the funding method, verification, and recipient's bank. PayPal. Transfers between 2 existing PayPal accounts are often instant. However, if the recipient doesn't have a PayPal account or if you need to withdraw funds from PayPal to a bank account, it can take 1 to 5 business days. Verdict on speed. For instant PayPal to PayPal payments, PayPal is hard to beat. For international transfers to bank accounts, Wise often matches or surpasses PayPal's speed with better transparency. 3. Functionality and use cases. This is where the distinction in their core missions becomes most apparent. Wise's strengths. Multi-currency accounts with local details. Wise offers true multi-currency accounts, allowing you to hold balances in over 40 currencies and providing local bank details like a UK sort code, Euro IBAN, US routing number. For many of them, this is invaluable for receiving payments as if you were a local. International bank transfers. Wise specializes in sending money directly to bank accounts in over 80 countries. Debit card. The Wise debit card makes spending in multiple currencies seamless and cost-effective, using the mid-market rate for conversions. Business tools. Wise business accounts offer features like batch payments, integrations with accounting software, and multi-user access, making it a strong choice for international businesses. PayPal's strengths: widespread online acceptance. PayPal is ubiquitous as an online payment method. You can pay for goods and services on millions of websites worldwide with just your PayPal login. Buyer and seller protection. PayPal offers robust buyer protection for purchases made through its platform, providing recourse if an item isn't received or isn't as described. Seller protection helps shield businesses from unauthorized transactions. Person-to-person, P2P, payments. Sending money to friends and family domestically is incredibly easy and often free, provided certain conditions are met. Credit and buy now, pay later options. PayPal offers various credit and financing options, which can be beneficial for consumers.